Yo, what's going on, guys? Today we're just gonna go to this Royal Car Show event down at Perth Motorplex. We'll take a couple of videos, we'll take a couple of photos. Hopefully there's some nice cars we can shoot. Let's get it.
Get it. Oh Lord, you are heavy. So we are a little bit late to the party, guys. This is probably halfway through the event now, but you know, you don't want to get there early and nothing's set up. So I saw a few cars coming out on the way out, so you know, maybe they just have other plans. That's all right. It's all good. We'll see what's still there, and we'll shoot what's there. All right, let's go. All right, we are here, guys. Alright, we're in, guys. Let's have a look at what we've got. Oh, we've got some Z's up in here. Just taking some videos now, but I'll take some photos later. Aussie.
Hey man, how are you?
Good, brother. How are you? You just got here?
About like
15 minutes. Yeah, first car I saw. Good parking.
Where did you get here?
Literally, I like parked over there because I've never been to Motorplex.
Yeah.
So I'm like, where the hell's the entrance? Because I thought this was just a car entrance.
Yeah.
So I had to walk all the way from there to here. But yeah, it's alright. Now Z.
Yeah.
Jag skulle det, nej?
Man, soon. That's the my Z wish it could be.
Nah, you'll get there.
I went to the Elite Lab Works.
Oh, you went earlier this morning?
Yesterday morning.
Oh, you said yesterday. Okay, my bad. Yeah.
And it was so good.
Yeah?
Yeah, it was actually really good.
Look, it's like raining right now. Shit, bro. What's going on? Alright. Thanks. 2 Series. Get the front. Woo! Boys. Here we go. You can get some panning shots. Oh Lord, no, I want to get this bus. Hey bro, what's going on, man? Been a while? You been here a while? Oh yeah? Nothing going on? Far out. Hey bro, what's going on, bro?
Honestly,
Fail?
all you're gonna do is wet your camera.
Yeah?
We don't mind. How are you?
Good. How you been? How's the car?
Still in pieces, but
Yeah.
I bought Golf R.
Oh yeah, you did?
Yeah.
Oh, that was your golf R next to...
Kobe's?
Yeah, next to Kobe's. Okay.
Yeah, I bought mine and took him for a drive. He always
shit.
wanted one, and I was like, you know, he was like, take me for a drive. I took him for a drive. Next week we got one.
Oh,
now we're just twinning.
that's
Got the
cute.
same colour as well, yeah.
That's nice, that's nice.
Yeah. So, yeah, it kind of sucks out there, hey?
No, nothing happening. Literally, zero.
No, yeah.
Because it's raining and...
Yeah, well, it dries a little bit. Some comes out, they go with the trucks,
go for
dry it up a little bit, and then they put the wheel forward, and it starts raining again, they push them back, and so it's like, it's nothing happening.
There's literally nothing
You're sitting
happening.
in the rain.
I don't think you did.
Sorry, man.
Oh, hey bro, what's going on, man? Did you get any good shots? Couple? I heard nothing's happening down the track, eh?
Nothing.
Fucking hell.
The track again.
Look at this weather, bro.
Yeah, the rain's fucked it.
How you, man? I'm good, you, bro.
This is my mate Josh.
Hey, nice to meet you, Josh. Aquila. Yeah, nice to meet you. Yeah.
Stitcher.
I know, it's everyone was here and then everyone's gone. It's
pretty much fucked around.
yeah, it's about, you can't drag on that, so it's like, it is what it is.
Yeah, so it feels bad.
It feels bad because it's like on and off. It's not even like raining and then it's continuous raining, like, you know, it's
Yeah.
the only panning shots I'm gonna get is like people leaving. I might take some footage there.
Yeah,
I'll speak to you soon. Yeah, nice to meet you, bro. Take care. Have a good one. All right, looks like they're doing some bike burnouts. So let's get some footage of this. Nice car.
Thanks.
The odd one out.
Yeah. The only not 37.
The only not three.
Hopefully they won't go there.
The only Z34. Day 104. They still have not noticed. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey man, Aquila. Nice to meet you. From Swift.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. You're a thick fair lady, right?
Yeah.
Is that it? Yeah. Okay. Cool.
Clearer than this. It's not too bad.
It's not
It's been on
bad.
and off.
I mean, it is forecasted raining, so.
Yeah.
Oh, Mr. Clappies!
Yeah.
Better cut there, and I'll take quick shots of it.
My
Just
one?
like, right now it's like, got too many.
Where do I park? Just in the grass?
Just that, yeah, where it's empty.
I'll go do that.
Wheels, turn that way. Stop.
Hey guys, so we just wrapped up here at Royals. It was okay, it was not too bad. I think it could have been better if the weather was a little bit more consistent. But you know, it was a pretty good turnout. Everybody was here and people having fun. It was a bit cold, a bit windy, but hey, we're just chilling out here. But I think a few people were not too happy because they paid some money to want to go and drag, but they couldn't, obviously, because the track was wet. And as you can see, it's like it's on and off. So like right now it's okay. I think they're just starting the drags back up again. But I was happy to just get some footage of the people chilling in the show and shine. So yeah, I caught up with a couple of people. So yeah, it was a good day overall. I'm gonna head home now, and I'll see you in the next vlog. All right.